Here are all the materials we need for this project. An energy stick, which will flash and siren when a complete electric circuit is formed where electric can get through. Aluminum foil and alligator clips that will help us extend the contacts of each object with the energy stick. A list of sample materials which we would like to test. A penny, nickel, dime, quarter, paper clip, steel ruler, which are all made out of metal. A magnet, which is semi-metal. A pencil made of wood. An eraser that is made of rubber. A water bottle cap made of plastic. A glass of water and a glass of oil. We will test them with the help of jumper wires. A glass itself. A handkerchief made of fabric. A piece of paper. We will use the alligator clip to connect each object we would like to test. To determine if each object is conductor or insulator. If the object is a conductor, it will form a complete electric circuit and the energy stick will be activated and it will flash and siren. If the object is an insulator, it will not activate the energy stick. Let's do the first test with metal. A penny is a conductor. A nickel. A nickel is a conductor. A dime. A dime is a conductor. A quarter. A quarter is a conductor. And metal paper clip. A metal paper clip is a conductor. A steel ruler. A steel ruler is a conductor. A magnet. A magnet is an insulator. Seems like most metals are conductors. Now let me test other materials. Wooden pencil. It is an insulator. Rubber eraser. It is an insulator. Plastic water bottle cap. It is an insulator. Glass. A glass is the insulator. Let me test the water in the glass by putting jumper wires in it to make contact with the water. Then I use the alligator clip to connect with the other end of the jumper wire to see if a complete electric circuit can be formed. Oh! The energy stick is activated, meaning water is a conductor. I am going to run a similar test on oil. I am using avocado oil here. Interesting. Oil is liquid just like water, but oil is an insulator. Let's move on to the next material. We have a handkerchief here to test fabric. It is an insulator. How about paper? It is also an insulator. Now, let's take it to another level. Since we know paper is insulator and most metals are conductors, what if I put pencil lead, also known as graphite, on a piece of paper? Would the energy stick flash? Oh wow, it flashes. Since we know metal paper clip is a conductor and plastic is an insulator, what would happen if I test a metal paper clip wrapped with plastic? The energy state no longer flashes. The plastic paper clip is an insulator. How about human body? If I use my left hand to hold one foil end of the energy stick and use my right hand to hold the other end, will my body form a complete circuit? Oh wow, yes! So human body is a conductor. We learned from the previous experiment that fabric is an insulator. What do you think will happen if I put on the glove before I hold the energy stick? Let's try it. not activated. What did we learn from all these interesting tests then? It is the material of each object's contact point determine if a complete electric circuit can be formed or not. This is the end of the experiment. Remember, do not perform electricity experiment without adult supervision. Thank you for watching.